I know why you have clicked on this video. Every one of you, every single one of you wants new clients for your AI automation agency, or even AI if you are working as AI automation consultant. You have done email outreach to cold calls to even running paid ads, but nothing is working, okay? The main reason why you clicked on this video is the AI automation, okay? That guarantees almost I have gotten 16 plus leads in just 3 days by this AI automation that like I have set it up, okay? So first of all, let's talk about the main thing that you need to set up this AI automation. So firstly you need this workflow. So for this workflow, what you have to do, you have to go on my Instagram. The link will be in the comments. Follow me there and just message me something like I need the workflow from this video. I will send it to you, okay? So the second, you need a free Reddit API. So you can watch this video and just know how can you get a Reddit API. But use the Reddit account which is almost 3 to 4 years old, okay? You can ask your friend, your relative, any kind of thing, but the account must be like verified. And so now let's go to the screen and I will show you how can you set it up, okay? So this is the workflow on your screen that we will be using, okay? It's pretty simple, basic, but it is a freaking clients getting machine, okay? So imagine, so in the trigger it says it runs every 3 hours. A day has for 24 hours, and if it's and in like one go it almost replies to one. In this go it is replying to 108 item totals, and if it runs like eight times a day, it is replying 800 uh, potential leads, okay? And it like qualifies them on the basis of relevancy about your niche, okay? So when I will be getting into detail, I will tell you all this, okay? So first thing, you need n8n, then you need Reddit API. I have already told you. mm, this is the video you need to watch, okay? And then an LLM model or account. I am using Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can use an free one and openrouter one, okay? So let's go into detail and I will show you everything. How can you get new clients for your AI automation agency, or even if you are an AI consultant, okay? So first thing first, you have to go to ChatGPT and then just give it your niche, what you where are you working, and just tell him that I need 4 to 5 subreddits about my niche where my potential clients hang over, and just share their problem, okay? So in this I have like chosen random one. First of all is entrepreneur, second it is small businesses, it is a subreddit, okay? Third one, it is a SaaS, okay? And the fourth one is no code, it is also a very big subreddit, okay? And the fourth one is productivity. So one thing about subreddits is they have very high security, you can say. So they don't allow you to promote anything, okay? So that's why in the prompting I have used a very significant prompt that like um, promote your product without even their automation, without even them noticing that you are sharing, you're promoting your business, okay? So when it will be done, okay, the Reddit thing will be done, then we filter the post by features, okay, in this node, okay? So it is first auto moderator, then deleted if it is deleted or not, and moderator, okay? And then is self. Oh no, I also forget about this one, okay? And then self text, there should be almost 50 plus words in the thing, okay? And then it is selecting key fields, okay? So the key field is selecting the post ID. We need the post ID, the post title, post content, and post URL, subreddit, author's full name, created on, score, what is the score, and number of comments, okay? After that the main thing arise, okay? So analysis content by AI. So this is a very important prompting, and only to write this prompt it like took me about 4 hours to like just write the prompt of it, okay? Because it should be very good, okay? So first if you like don't have an Instagram account, you can't get the workflow, so you can just take the screenshot and what I am showing you, just do that. But who have not an Instagram account, okay, so first analyze, first in the user message I have written analyze this Reddit post, then given the title, content, subreddit, and before the subreddit you have to put r, then slash, then subreddit, okay, author name, you if you are like very active on Reddit, you should know this. And then there is relevancy, and in the system prompt, okay, I'm sorry, this is not the prompt that I have been talking about. I think that was from another workflow. This just took me about 20 minutes. I've just generated it by AI, okay. And then the system message, it is also generated by AI. Sorry, that was my bad, okay. But the structured output one, it is also very important, okay. So we like want AI to give it in this pattern, okay. First is relevancy, there is a boolean, either true or false or no or yes, okay. Then confidence, 0 to 100, it will like determine the confidence on the basis of our clients, okay. Pain points, what problem are they facing, and suggested approach, okay, how to help them, okay. Because we are like getting the clients by helping them through a deep analysis of their comment, and then providing with them with a solution. And in the end there will be just a small line like, if you want more detail, just DM me in the Instagram, I am ready to help you, okay. And then add that at your username of Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn. And then yeah, one important thing, filter post by content. This is very important, okay. This was what I was talking about, okay. So in the relevancy conditions, in the relevancy we have to like choose the relevant which is answering yes in the boolean, okay. So in the JSON you can know many of these are saying no, 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 okay. Because these are the people that we can't help, or they aren't in our niche and not our potential clients, okay. This is the reason why like I was saying that we qualify them, okay. And I have forgot one thing. And also in the confidence one, the confidence should be high or over 80%, okay. I think yeah, over 80%, or it should be high, okay. Confidence should be high. And then this AI came, okay. This AI comes and but the prompt I given in, write a helpful Reddit comment for this prompt, the title, content, subreddit, analysis, pain point suggested, approach. This is the analysis that was generated by this. The user is asking for an advice on a sales marketing hook for banking security software, not about automation workflows, blah 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 blah, okay. And then a system message, okay, there's a small AI generated one. And they look at the output, it like generates big paragraphs, not big paragraphs, actually there is a line break between them, okay. So actually I think I didn't add, but in the prompting you can do prompting yourself, okay. If you are like AI agency owner, you should know this. You will set up the prompt about your own niche, okay. I just go broad, okay. In this workflow, okay, my niche is remodeling companies, okay, actually. So in the prompting you will just add prompt the AI that generate blah 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 in my niche, and identify this, and you will go through the workflow and then just make some changes for your own, okay. And it is the very big long comments that it generates, okay. Now I have actually given two paths, okay. Even you can append the row in sheets, okay, or comments, actually both, okay. So that one you can't repeat one post twice, okay. This is because of the duplicating, okay. Because AI don't know what comments we have replied or what we not. So in the sheets I have actually not set it up, but I can tell you thoroughly. So you should have the post ID, okay. These are the posts we have done, and content and relevancy and everything like that, okay. And after that it will create a comment. So in this comment there is like simply an credential, then resource will be post comment. We are post commenting on the specific person post who is like creating this. And operation, then we are giving it a post id, from where select key field area, from here post id, and then comment text that our latest AI is generated. Okay, so guys, this was it for today's video. Okay, and if you haven't understand any part of it or having issues with setting up this workflow, you can DM me on Instagram. I am like always available on Instagram, always active there. Not always, but yeah, this is like, I would say this is like better than cold calling. You don't have to calls, and not better than outreach, email outreach, but email outreach have like the lowest. You must have a good copy of emails. It is also very like difficult to like get that replies from the emails. Okay,